Hi guys, I'm Miss Fair, and today we're going to be talking about pronouns. So this is Pronouns Lesson 1, and there's my name and my email address. And then I have some little pictures here that show different pronouns. You have they and you and she. Okay, let's look at this paragraph here. Okay, Zach went to the market to buy bread. Zach bought carrots and apples, and then Zach went to the frozen section and Zach bought ice cream. After all that, Zach forgot to buy bread. Okay, does that sound funny to you guys or to you at all? It does, doesn't it? Because what do we see over and over again? Zach, 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 Zach. So what authors do and what writers do, instead of saying Zach over and over, they use pronouns. So we're going to be talking about subject pronouns today. Okay? Understanding pronouns is an important skill for readers. An author might name a character or idea once and then refer to that character or idea by a pronoun afterward. Knowing which noun a pronoun replaces can help you follow the chain of pronouns and help you understand who or what each pronoun is talking about. That will help you better understand what you read. Okay, so today we're going to talk about what type of pronoun? That's right, subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are nouns that replace the subject of a sentence. We're going to talk a little more about that. Let's look at the subject pronouns. Here are some subject pronouns, or here are those subject pronouns. The singular ones are I, you, he, she, it. All of those are singular pronouns, which mean they mean just one. Singular means just one. And then here you got plural pronouns. There are not very many of those. Plural means more than one. Like we. When we talk about we, we're talking about more than one person. You can talk about it can talk about a group with more than one person. And they also talks about more than one person there. So that means it's plural. Okay. Let's look at this sentence. My aunt is a veterinarian. Okay. All right. So what's the subject of the sentence? That's right. The subject of the sentence is... Here, let me close this. Okay. The subject of the sentence is, right, my aunt. So let's circle this. My aunt. So let's think of a pronoun that we could put in place of my aunt so it won't change the meaning of the sentence. What do y'all think it would be? That's right. It is she. She is a veterinarian. Veterinarian. All right, so let's look at the next page. Let's erase that. Okay, let's look at this next sentence. It says, this class is ready to learn. Okay, what do you think the subject is of this sentence, or the subject part? It is this class. What could we put in place of this class to not change the meaning of the sentence? What pronoun could we put there? What do you think? This class is ready to learn. Put you. Instead of saying though, would we say you is ready to learn? No, that subject verb does not agree there. So what could we put in place instead of is? What could we put? That's right, are. You are ready to learn. Okay. Let's erase this. Okay. Let's look at this next. These are all the subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay. Let's look at these sentences. We're going to try to decide. There's the first sentence. The children will play in the park until dinner. Okay. What is the subject of this sentence? All right. The children. That's what the sentence is talking about. What is this sentence about? The children. Okay, which one of these pronouns could we use to replace the children? That's right. That's right. I know you said the right word. It is they. They will play in the park until dinner. Okay, let's look at this next sentence. The young boy ran around. What's the subject of this sentence? That's right. The young boy. Let me get that pencil and mark that. So I'm going to circle the young boy. That's the subject part of this sentence. It's what the sentence is talking about. It's who the sentence is talking about. The young boy. Now, what pronoun do you think we could use in place of the young boy? That's right. He. He ran around. Okay. Let's look at the next sentence. This group is learning about pronouns. This group. What can we put instead of this group? Okay, this group is I should have asked you that, but this group is the subject part of the sentence. This group. And we're going to try to figure out which one of these can we put in place of this group. You think we'd use he or she? When you're talking about a group, you're talking about more than one person. It's a collective noun because a group means more. It's one, but it's a bunch of people in a group there. So let's see. Actually, we'd use you. You is learning about pronouns. That doesn't sound right, does it? No, because this verb doesn't go with you. What verb can we put with you to make it right? Are. You are learning about pronouns. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. Sue and I swam after school. Okay, so what can we use in place of the subject here? What's the subject? Sue and I. It's a compound subject. Sue and I swim after school. So what could we put in place of Sue and I swim after school? That's right. We swim after school. That's exactly right. That's the pronoun that can take the place of that. Let's look at the next one. We got the princess did not need anyone to save her. What is the subject part of this sentence? That's right. The princess. Now, what could we put in place of a princess? First of all, you got to think, okay, is princess a girl? Does princess mean girl or boy? It means girl. So what would we put in place of princess? That's right. We put she. She did not need anyone to save her. Oh, this last sentence came up already. Okay. It says respect. Can't read it on my paper, but it says respect is an important thing to have in any school. So what do you think the subject is here? Got a little bit harder, but it is respect. So we're going to circle. Ooh, I circled it with green. So respect is the subject of the sentence. And what can we put in place of respect? Which one of these subject pronouns can we put in front of this, or in place of this? I mean, that's right. We could put it. It is an important thing to have in any school. Respect. Okay, let's erase this. All that. We'll go to the next page. We're doing so good. Okay, so we're going to wrap it up. I'm going to see if you can figure these out on your own. First of all, looking at this first sentence, my sister enjoys fixing old cars in her free time. Okay, what is the subject part of the sentence? It is, that's right, let's do blue. It is my sister. My sister. Okay, what can we put in place of my sister? Well, we know a sister's a girl, so we probably put, right, just what you said, she. She enjoys fixing old cars in her free time. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. The butterflies fluttered around the bright flowers. Okay, what can we put in place of the butterflies. Right again. Y'all are so smart. The butterflies. You could put. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. You could put they. They fluttered around the bright flowers. Okay, look at the next one. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Well, I gave you the answer, but Chris and I, we'll go ahead and circle that. Chris and I are the subjects of the sentence. There's a compound subject. And in place of Chris and I, we could put we. Y'all are so smart. Thank you for your time. I hope you learned something. You know that subject pronouns take the place of subjects. So have a great day.